I'm JB Brown, the Nordstrom Innovation Lab Manager, and this is the lab. The Nordstrom Innovation Lab is a lean startup inside of a Fortune 500 company. The idea is that you never have any work that is in process that's not needed, and so you never create waste. You're always just delivering value. We do experiments that last 1 to 2 weeks long and try and have a validated learning approach to finding market opportunities that we can then pitch to a typical delivery vehicle within the company, another team that then develops it and takes it to market. A typical day in the Innovation Lab starts at about 9:30 where we'll have our stand-up meeting and figure out what we're going to do for that day and what we're going to try and accomplish. Once we've done that, our work is visible on our Kanban board and people then start pulling work throughout the day to knock off what we're trying to accomplish. And then at the end of our week, we have a retrospective meeting where we talk about not necessarily about the work we accomplished, but how we do as a team. We may create a prototype, a working prototype of software that we write. We may also just create a presentation based on leaner methods. So paper prototypes will draw things out and then put them in front of people and say, okay, what would you click on now? And they use a pen to say what they're going to click on and then determine if it's a good solution, and if it is, then work on a more functioning prototype. The most exciting part about working at this pace is the team that works on it bonds together, and just a community of people that just want to work together and find out the real results, and it's really fun, and you don't have to have that red tape getting in the way. The Innovation Lab is good for Nordstrom because as we evolve and have new competitors and try and remain tops in customer service, we will need to take risks but not lose money while we're taking those risks. So the gains are always market opportunities. So you make more money, or you get more customers, or push your brand out to more people. The reason you'd want something like this in your company is because startups out in the industry are going to be doing this anyway, so you might as well take advantage of it and benefit from it instead of having them be competitors and having them come up with the new, fast, cool idea. We should do it ourselves and have it be Nordstrom's.